Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. Today we will discuss about how to format a table. Formatting a table, that means when we make any changes in the appearance of the table or the text within the table, then it is called formatting the table. We can format the table by either aligning the text in the table or also by resizing the table. It can be column wise or also row wise, even it can be cell wise. Also, we can format the table by applying border and shading in the table. Now let's check them one by one. Alignment of text in a table. Aligning text in a table refers to the horizontal alignment of text within the table. The text in a table can be aligned either left align or right align, else we can also make it center align or justified. The default alignment of a table is left alignment. So whenever we start entering a text in table, it is automatically entered left align. So for align the text, simply select the cell or group of cells. Suppose here I want to align this text, Peter. So I selected the text, and after that from the paragraph option, select the desired alignment that you want, like center. You can now see that the text is aligned center within the cell. You can also select right align or justified. You can also select a group of cells, like I am selecting these holes, and after that you can choose the various align options that are available in paragraph. Just look how they are appear when I change the various alignment. This is center alignment, this is right alignment, this is justified and left alignment. Let's check it again. To change the alignment of a text within a table, just select the cell or the group of cell that you want to align. So I am just selecting this cell, and after that click on the desired option available in paragraph tab. These are left align, center align, right align and justified. Now let's check how we can resize the table. We can resize the table by using the mouse. Just take the mouse to the edge of the cell that you want to resize. If you want to resize it horizontally, then select the column side. Else, if you want to resize it vertically, then select the row side. Suppose here I want to resize the roll number or the first column. So I just move my mouse cursor to the edge of the column, and after that hold the left click of the mouse and drag the column as you required. Okay. Let's check it with mathematics also. Done. Let's check it with this one. Okay. You can also do this vertically. So just select the row edge, and after that you can drag the whole edge. You can also use the predefined option available in Microsoft Word. So to use the predefined option available in Microsoft Word, place the cursor in the cell where you want to increase or decrease the size of the cell. So I just go to this cell. After that you will see the table tools option appears. From here go to layout option, and from here you can use the auto fit option. Auto fit content. The second one is auto fit window, and the third one is fixed column width. So if you choose the first one, auto fit content, then it will adjust the cells as per the text entered. Next, let's check with auto fit window. So it will distribute the cells among the window. You can also think this is like a justified option that we used for text while we writing in Microsoft Word. Like that, this option also distributes the table within the page width. The next one is fixed column width. Here you can define a fixed column width for a cell. So whenever you write here, the text will warp automatically and come to the next line. Let's check it. So I just shrink this roll number tab. After that I make it fixed column width. After that, look, if I write here anything, what happened? Roll number of the student. Now you can see the text is automatically warped to the next line. If I use the auto fit content, look what happened. And if I use auto fit window, so I hope you understand the three options that are available in auto fit. The first one is auto fit content, the second one is auto fit window, and the third one is fixed column width. So this predefined option automatically resizes the columns of your table. You can also define the height or width of a particular cell. So just go to that particular cell, and after that from the table tools layout option, you can change the height or width of the column. Click here, you can see how the width change or the height change. The first option is used for height, or the second option is used for width. This is the height, and the second option is used for the width of the column. The other options that are available are distribute rows and distribute column. When you click on distribute rows, it will distribute the rows evenly or equally sized. You can see now all the rows are distributed evenly. The next one is distribute column. So you can see now when I click on distribute columns, all the columns distributed evenly of same size. So today we understand how we can align the text within a table and how we can change the size of the column or row within a table or cell. We will discuss about border and shading in our next class. So that's all for the day. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.